Gîkeno kau AKARI Mathira kaunti-inĩ Nyeri na arĩ no gachagua umĩte AKARI aku nĩ bomanĩtie kũgwĩrwo kwao nyuma ya mwana wao kujuka gũtuĩka mũnini wa Ruto. AKARI na gĩkeno gĩkĩnene nĩ baremie kwitha kũgwĩrwo kwao nyuma ya ntũmĩri ya ntuku ya narua ya mũnini wa mũtongoria wa Nthiguru. Gachagua aratungataĩra gĩcigo kĩa Mathira ta mũbunge arĩa gĩkĩ nĩkĩo kĩbindi kĩawe kĩa mbere. Na gũtonya kũgwĩrwa na gĩkeno gĩa AKARI ba gĩcigo mbunge kĩa Mathira.
Nyuma yawe kwetoya munini wa Ruto kiri kurwira giti kya mutongoria wa Nthiguru rungu rwa Kenya Kwanza, AKARI bagisio kiake ni bonanitie kwirwa ko ni twari utiongi ende ni Rigathi Gachagua ni mubunge wa gisio kya bunge kya Mathira. Bakiaria na kwirwo kunene AKARI wete Gachagua atigerie italia rimwaki atuika munini wa mutongoria wa mugongo na ringi rimwe ethira nindi akia ya mutongoria wa Nthiguru.
Sasa hivi tumepata Mwai Kibaki mwingine, bwana mheshimiwa Rigathi Gachagua ambaye amechaguliwa na sasa hapo hatua moja aingie kuwa naibu rais na pia kwa hatua nyingine moja aingie kuwa rais pia wa nchi yetu.
Ni araba ingi bamwetete ya muntu aritete ngomo kadhaa na kinya muntu wantu aikanwa kaimuriko kucheria kinyantu kathomba.
So like the deputy president comes from a very humble background. I know he's a meticulous planner and a very strong crowd mobilizer. We know that he's been engaged in social welfare activities.
Ni bawetana mbere na kuwa baina omana kinya wetekio AKARI ngwe nonto gisione kya Mathira ibarikitie kona ngwe yekie.
Sure of one thing though, that Rigathi Gachagua is the best suited for the job. We know he will deliver. He has outdone himself in Mathira. He is going to outdo himself in this country. He is a very good mobilizer. He knows how to connect with people and unify people from all walks of life.
Bange bakiwa maromba yo ni akinyete na nende kira kitiere ni utiera iba bakorokia mwana William Ruto mweri yuenana bakiwa akire mara nende kikona wa ukirwamira.
And we have no doubt whatsoever that he is going to be the best thing that has ever happened to Kenya after Mwai Kibaki.
We have not slept. We kept on praying each and every day. Tumemwombea Rigathi sana tangu jana na tunasema huyu ndio yule msee tulikuwa tunangojea. So this is the guy for us. This is the guy for Mount Kenya, and we as the young people of Mount Kenya, all the way from Mount Kenya, we are leading behind Gachagua, and we make sure that Mount Kenya will deliver 105%.
Phineas Imana, Weru Weekendi.